Transform your expertise into an impactful online course that students will rave about by mastering Kajabi's powerful creation tools. First, we'll lay a solid foundation before touching Kajabi. Map out your course structure. Start with a clear learning objective. What transformation will your students achieve? Then, break down this big goal into logical modules, and further subdivide those into bite-sized lessons. Think of it as a clear path, not a maze, for your students to follow. Next, let's gather your assets. Compile all your knowledge videos, audio recordings, written guides, worksheets, quizzes, and any other valuable resources. Organize these by module and lesson, ensuring each piece directly supports your learning objectives for that specific section. Now, it's time to bring your course to life within Kajabi. Navigate to your dashboard and select Products. Then, Courses. Click New Course, and give it a descriptive name, followed by a compelling description that highlights the benefits for your ideal student. This is your first impression, so make it count. Within the course builder, you'll see your module outline. Click on each module to add lessons. Kajabi offers various content formats. Upload your pre-recorded videos, add text-based lessons, embed audio files, or create engaging assessments like quizzes. Upload your compiled assets, drag and drop them into the correct lesson slot, and ensure the flow feels natural and progressive. Engagement is key to student success. Integrate interactive elements directly within your lessons. Utilize Kajabi's built-in discussion forums to foster community and allow students to ask questions. Enable comments on individual lessons to encourage dialogue. Consider adding polls or surveys to gauge understanding and gather feedback in real time. To keep students motivated and prevent overwhelm, consider drip content in your course settings. You can schedule lessons to be released over time, week by week, or after certain completion milestones. This paced approach can significantly improve course completion rates and student satisfaction. Finally, structure your course for maximum impact and student success. Review your entire course from a student's perspective. Is it easy to navigate? Is the content clear and actionable? Does it deliver the promised transformation? Once satisfied, Kajabi makes it simple to market and sell your masterpiece.